Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu has reported from Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, when Hazrat Hafsa, the daughter of Umar radiyallahu anhu, became a widow, her husband Hazrat Khunais bin Huzaifa Sahmi passed away in Medina Munawwara, one of the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu said, I went to Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu and asked him about Hafsa. He whereupon replied, I will reflect into my affair. I waited for some days. I then happened to meet him, and he said, it transpired to me that I should not marry so far. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu further said, I then met Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. So I said to him, if you wish, I will marry Hafsa to you. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu remained silent and did not give me any reply. Owing to this reaction, I got exasperated at him more than Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu. After only a few days, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent the offer of marriage. So I married her to him. Thereafter, I happened to meet Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, and he said, perhaps you might have got annoyed with me when you talked to me about Hafsa radiyallahu anha, and I did not give you any answer. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said that he said yes. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, in fact, only this thing detained me to give you a reply, that I knew that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself wanted so, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam also mentioned it to me, but I did not want to divulge the secret of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had forsaken this idea, I would have accepted it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5122.